Welcome back to It's a Yard Life. I'm going to be mowing this evening. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the beautiful views and the amazing sights. It's mowing time. Yee. Oh, shoot. Well, she gone. Ugh. Dude, we cannot let Terry find out about this. I am so screwed. Man. Look at this. Dude. Freaking stuck. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to call Dave. Hey. Yeah, can you come up here with the four-wheeler? I got the mower stuck. Yeah. Just don't tell your dad. That would be bad. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, dude, where's the four-wheeler?
Dude, four-wheeler. Dad has him. He's here. You're screwed, Mason.
Oh my god.
Mason, Dad's gonna be. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Just what do we do?
It's not as bad as it looks.
Well, he got. What's happening over here?
It got stuck.
Don't. He accidentally slid out.
What
the heck?
It's a little too wet, Terry.
I told you
Mason.
about that. It just stormed last night. I'm picking up limbs, and here you are on a mower, freaking sticking it. Are you not serious?
Yeah.
This. Well, you can't go down sideways on a wet hill like that.
He spun out. He did a whole 360. Look at this.
What the heck?
Man, this is ridiculous.
Oh, that's some damage.
Well, you said it needed mowed.
Yeah, mowed, not.
How you gonna get it out of there?
Yeah, what's your plan here, Mason?
Try to unstick it.
That's a hot mess. You know, I wanted the yard mowed, not freaking dirt. That's just dumb. That's just really dumb. You know better than that. I can't even believe you did that. That's one of the dumbest things I've seen around here. since yesterday.
You know.
Dad wasn't
Well-
supposed to know about this. I tried, but I'm sorry.
I think
Gonna have to get a rope.
one get in it and one other one push.
Yeah. Okay.
Hopefully you can get it out over here.
Yeah.
Well,
We got some work to do.
spinning it again. You already got it out. I think the best thing that can be done right now is take that to the house, park it, you're done for the night. We'll start again tomorrow.
Well, I guess it's not mowing time.
Hey, come on, let's get that mower going.